Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the Capital One PIN number on the app on your mobile. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the app and just sign in to your account with your credentials, okay? And then once you're on this page, I want you to just go ahead and click on any card that you want to change the PIN for. So let's say we choose this one, click here, and then I want you to come here and click on View All, okay? And then you get all of these options. And under Manage Debit Card, you'll actually see this option that says Change PIN. Just go ahead and tap on this, and they'll ask you to choose the contact point we would like to send a temporary 6-digit code to. And this will actually expire 10 minutes after being sent. So let's say we select this one and then click on Send Code. And then once we get the code and we put it into the app, it will prompt us to enter our new PIN. Just enter your PIN, and you can click on Next and you're done. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.